Here you go, little one.
Careful, it's warm.
Thank you, Papa Meow.
The chef cat shares his meal with his little one because love is best served warm.
Even the greatest chef drops the fish sometimes.
Oh no, my masterpiece! I think it's swimming again, Papa.
Even the greatest chef drops the fish sometimes.
Oh no, my masterpiece!
I think it's swimming again, Papa.
In the end, Chef Cat and his little kitten shared more than a meal. They shared love.